Hello everyone, my name is Marie with Viana Care and today we'll talk about the Skin Booster Touch BR. We'll have a look at what Touch BR is, how it works, how to use it, and we'll also have a closer look at a procedure performed by Christopher McGrady. Let's get started. What is Touch BR? Touch BR is a South Korean product for carrying and effective brightening of pigment spots, age-related spots, and freckles. It contains highly active components that prevent melanin synthesis. After the procedure, the skin becomes smooth, light, and radiant. What are the benefits of using Touch BR? Touch BR is an effective skin booster for brightening the skin as it decreases melanin synthesis, skin pigmentation, age spots, freckles, and it is illuminating. On top of that, it has many other benefits. It can also be used for pigment spots, dyschromia, age-related darkening of the epidermis, worsening of complexion due to extended sun exposure, and freckles. Touch BR can be used together with an MTS device, meso machine, or a Hydra stamp. To have the best results, Touch BR should be used 5 to 6 times with an interval of 1 to 4 weeks. Let's have a look at a procedure performed by Christopher McGrady. But before we do that, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on that notification bell so you can stay up to date when we post new and exciting content.
Hello, welcome. I'm Chris for Viana Care. Today I'm going to be talking about one of 4 products that comes from the line of Miracle. And the product I'm going to talk about today is the Miracle Touch BR. So I've never used this product before, so I'm very excited to try it. And also I am going to show you one way that you can use this product at home. And the technique that I'm going to be using with this product is your traditional mesotherapy method, which is injection with a syringe. You could also use this with a microneedling pen. You could also use this with a Hydra stamp as well. For me, I just like a traditional mesotherapy method. That's just what I like to do. And this is just one way that you're able to use this product at home. As a disclaimer, I am in no way, shape, or form a medically trained professional. I am not a doctor. I am not a nurse. I'm not an esthetician. I'm just someone who loves skincare ingredients. I'm someone who loves skincare products. I'm someone who loves skincare devices. So let's jump right into it. Now I've already cleansed my face and I've already sanitized it with isopropyl alcohol, but since I've just been sitting here talking, I am going to use my isopropyl alcohol wipes and I am just gonna cleanse my skin again. Now this is something that you can and will treat your whole face. You just need to treat whatever areas of concern are for you. For me, I have a lot of things going on. I have a lot to do, so I'm not gonna be treating my forehead today just because I have a bunch of other things going on, and I'm only gonna be doing right through here because this is mostly my problem area through here where I will get a little bit of hyperpigmentation from the sun. I do get a little less plump here, so this is gonna be the area that I'm treating today. And I have my natural mesotherapy needle tips, and I have the 6mm, and that is gonna be too deep to put into my skin, so I'm only gonna be using my needle halfway. Now I did get these disposable syringes that actually have a lure in here, or fisher, I'm not sure what it's called. So you can actually attach those meso tips to your syringe and you twist that on to make sure it's secure. Being that these needles are very fine, they are gonna dull very quickly. So when I'm using these at home, I will usually go through about 3 needles when I'm treating my entire face, just because I don't numb my skin, I don't numb my face, I just don't feel a need to do that. So I don't want to use a dull needle. It's going to be painful. Why would you want to cause pain, right? So After I feel that this is starting to get dull, I will just go out and switch the tip. Easy breezy. So I've cleansed my skin, I have my needle ready. Now I'm going to take my Miracle Touch BR. I'm going to flip open the cap, and you'll see that it has this little foil tin. And you're just gonna snap that off, that opens up, and then you twist around. Take off the topper. And this is a 1 milliliter vial. And the syringe that I'm using is actually 3 milliliters. So I'm going to take off my needle tip and I'm going to withdraw the product from the vial and into my syringe. So correction, this is a 5 milliliter vial. So I have 3 milliliters in here and I have approximately 2 milliliters left in my vial. So once I have that drawn in, I'm gonna reattach my needle and make sure that it's twisted and secure. I do not want any air bubbles, so I'm just gonna make sure I flick that. And I'm going to push my plunger in to make sure all the air is released. And then there are no bubbles. Now prior to injection, again, we've already cleansed the skin. I am going to be wearing gloves just for sanitation. Have my gloves on. I'm going to remove that. And I'm gonna zoom in so we can get started. So I have already used 1 milliliter. On this side of my face. So let's go ahead and zoom in. So it's normal to see these raised bumps. These will subside within 24 hours. In some people, maybe 48 hours, but typically this is just a raised bump because you're doing this so superficially that it's going just underneath the skin's layer, and then your skin is gonna slowly absorb that liquid. So these bumps should, again, subside within 24 hours, and that will be okay. So let's go ahead and use another milliliter through this region here. Actually, I'm gonna switch this tip out first since it's starting to get dull. I remove that. Open a new needle. Make sure that's twisted on tight. Perfect. All right, and there you have it. So, obviously a little bit of redness is to be expected, and as we said, those little lumps are gonna go down within about 24 hours, and then that's about it. That's really all you have to do for your mesotherapy injection of your Miracle Touch BR. So I'm gonna come back in about 24 hours just to do a check-in with you guys, so that way you can see the results of what it's done so far within that 24 hours, and then also so you can see that those lumps have gone down. So I will be back in about 24 hours to do a check-in with you guys. All right, and here we are with about a 36-hour check-in post my injection, my mesotherapy with the Miracle Touch-Up BR. So let's go ahead and zoom in. So all I really have is just a few little marks where I had injection points. So that bruising will, go away in just a little bit of time, but my skin, I feel like, looks plumper. It definitely feels more hydrated. I like it. I really do like this, and I definitely will be trying out this treatment again, just because I like how it makes my skin plump and feel. But just remember, the recommended course is 5 to 6 treatments spread out over a 1 to 4 week period. So typically you would probably want to do one once a week. So that is something to keep in mind when you're looking for this type of treatment. So overall, I like it. I'm happy with it. I'm not going to see much brightening results from it because you have to actually go through a course of treatments. However, I will definitely be doing it again. So if you're looking for a new type of mesotherapy product that you would, just want to add to your routine or try, I definitely recommend trying either the Miracle Touch-Up BR or one of the other Miracle Touch products, touch-up products that are available for mesotherapy. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Thank you to VianaCare for letting me try this product. And if you want to see more videos like mine, you can go head on over to youtube.com/Christopher McGrady to see more videos like this. So I hope everyone stays well. And thanks again, VianaCare. Bye.
I hope this was useful and you learned something new. If you have any questions about Touch BR or about other content, let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell because we post new content every single week. Hope to see you again next time. Bye!